Today, I'll show you how to link Calendly to Honeybook, seamlessly integrating these two powerful tools to enhance your scheduling and client management workflow. Whether you're a busy entrepreneur, a freelancer, or someone who simply wants to streamline their business operations, linking Calendly to Honeybook can save you a lot of time and effort. First, let's start by navigating to Honeybook. Open the Honeybook app on your device, and once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile photo there, which acts as the gateway to your account settings. Click on your profile photo, and this will open up a menu with several options related to your account. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Tools. This is where Honeybook houses all the various utilities and integrations that can enhance your use of the platform. However, in some versions, you might find these options under Company Settings, so keep an eye out for that too. Once you're in the right menu, look for the Integrations option and click on it. This will take you to a new page where all available integrations are listed. Now, it's time to connect Calendly to Honeybook. Scroll through the list of integrations until you find the section specifically for Calendly. Honeybook has made this process quite straightforward, so even if you're not particularly tech savvy, you should find this step manageable. Once you've located the Calendly section, click on the Connect button. This action begins the integration process between these two platforms. The next step is to authorize the connection. To do this, you'll need to log into your Calendly account. If you're already logged in, you might be prompted to confirm your credentials for security purposes. Once you're in Calendly, a prompt will appear asking for your permission to link Honeybook with your Calendly account. It's important to grant this permission to enable the integration. This step ensures that Calendly can share your scheduling information with Honeybook, allowing for a smooth flow of data between the two platforms. And there you have it, a simple process that significantly enhances how you manage appointments and client interactions. By linking Calendly to Honeybook, you ensure that all your scheduled events and meetings are automatically synced, reducing the chances of double bookings or missed appointments. This integration allows you to focus more on your clients and less on the technicalities of scheduling. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Regularly check both Honeybook and Calendly for any updates or new features that might further enhance their integration capabilities. Sometimes new updates can offer improved functionality or even additional features that can further streamline your workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your business operations a little bit smoother. If you have any questions or run into any issues, both Honeybook and Calendly offer excellent customer support, ready to assist you with any concerns. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.